So firstly, relaxing the whole body and placing the hands, as I said, flat on the tree, facing downwards. And close your eyes. Relax the palm, elbows, shoulders, back, chest, waist and abdomen, all the way down into Dantian. Concentrate more on inhaling through the hands, feeling the qi inside the hands. And conduct the qi to Dantian using your mind. So as you're breathing in through the nose and through the hands, then hold it in Dantian. Hold the breath for as long as is comfortable at this point and think of that lovely absorbed qi coming in and combining with the internal qi in Dantian and then storing it inside the body. Exhale the remaining qi after you've combined what you need and then just breathe normally. To finish this exercise, just gently remove your hands from the tree, and then for women, placing the right hand on the lower abdomen with the left hand on top, and for men, the left hand on the lower abdomen with the right hand on top, and just circling firstly in one direction and then in the other, just to seal in that amazing qi that you've just absorbed from the tree.